Matthew. No, that's a kind of prof for mommy. You may introduce you a brand table.
Okay.
It is a young guy. Yo, I was your phone.
Your family people.
Right now, right about now.
What?
Matthew.
Who will catch you? Me make number of what's it right now?
I was a Sabre.
Right now,